Hello traders, welcome back to today's video on an expert advisor called MonyMo. It's an expert advisor for MetaTrader 5 developed by Aman Tinishbayev from Uzbekistan and is currently listed at $650. It's an EA aimed at gold and silver, as you can see here, gold and silver. That's gold USD and silver USD chart. And the product page pushes it as a system that doesn't sit around waiting for the ideal conditions before it actually starts moving. They said this EA tries to catch the market when it actually starts moving. But let's dig into what they're actually saying. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, according to the description, MonyMo is built around ZigZag structure analysis combined with trend filtering and breakout-impulse entries. The idea is that the ZigZag identifies key swing highs and lows. The trend filter decides the overall direction, and then the EA looks for those impulse breakouts so strong moves don't slip past unnoticed. As you can see it highlighted on the page. They make it clear that there's no greed and no martingale, and every trade is treated as an independent position with a hard stop loss from the very first second. Stops and take profits are ATR-adaptive, meaning they adjust to gold's current volatility rather than using fixed PIP values. There's also a two-stage exit that is it locks in partial profits early, then uses a smart trailing stop on the remaining position so you can ride a bigger move if one develops. Position sizing scale with your account balance, and they offer multiple risk profiles ranging from more conservative but friendly settings up to more aggressive ones. The market thin line is basically plug and play. Attach it to a gold USD or silver USD chart, pick your risk profile, and let the EA run. That's the core of what the developer is presenting. That is a structure-based breakout logic with volatility adjusted risk and independent trades only. Now let's look at this. As it's just a buy and sell order on the market. So there's no really any backtest, there's no signal. But fear not, we'll look at it in my backtest. Now let's talk about how it actually behaves in the testing period. I ran a 1 year backtest on gold USD on M30 timeframe from August 2025 to August 2026 using every tick based on real ticks modeling. I used a 10k dollar account starting balance with a 1:100 leverage and no optimization. Now, looking at the modeling quality, you can see 100%. This history quality affects how the EA runs in the background and whether it actually predicts historical bars. Now, what showed up was a net loss of about $4,153. Our gross profit was $178 approximately, and the gross loss very higher, much higher than the gross profit at $4,332. Our profit factor is at an all-time low or very low of 0.04, and recovery factor in the negatives, meaning it is best to recover profits and still failed at that miserably with a negative value. Our drawdowns high at 42.56 for balance, and equity drawdown at 43.93. Very high drawdowns and very disappointing results. Our profit rate 16.67, which means the EA made more loss trades than profit trades, with the average and largest profit being significantly lower than the largest and average loss trades. Moving forward, we check the equity curve and we see the balance and equity moving steadily for balance and then dropping ever so often, dropping, no rise, barely any rise, just dropping on and on. So it became flat. Same with the equity, we see fall and rise in different from the balance that just fell constantly. So the system took a series of loss early and then either stopped generating meaningful trades or just couldn't recover, as you can see from our recovery factor. Comparing that to the developer's claim, the no grid and independent position part held up. There was no martingale explosion. The ATR stops were clearly in play, but the idea of consistency catching strong moves and capturing real trends didn't show up in this historical period. It took 12 trades in total over a period of 1 year, with 83% loss rate and a near total wipe of the early equity. It's a very different picture from the marketing language. Honestly, the thing is, this is a low frequency breakout system that relies heavily on the zigzag structure and the trend filter being right. In the period I tested, that filter was wrong more often than not. And historical performances like this means you can expect long quiet stretches followed by clusters of stop outs. The no martingale is a genuine plus, but the combination of low win rates, wide stops, and low frequency still creates a real risk of deep drawdowns. It's worth noting that broker spreads and slippage on gold only make these results more challenging in live conditions. Now, if you're wondering, after all this, who is this going to use this EA? Now, it's for someone who already understands structured trading on gold, is comfortable running a conservative risk profile, and is willing to treat the purchase price as test capital while monitoring live behavior for months. But firm traders might look at the conservative settings, but the 40+% equity drawdown and recovery factor of negative 0.9 makes that a tough sell. If you need consistent monthly numbers, or you are running a smaller account that can't handle a 40% hit, this one is probably best left alone. And that's a realistic take based on the historical results. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free robot in the description that has indicators and candlestick patterns. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.